Sanibonani. Yo, I'm sure nani nayibonela nje ngiyanyile namhlanje. I'm very angry. I'm pissed, in fact. What pisses me off actually is a lot of people, well, I've been posting, I've been resharing, I'm a post to March and Marchi and posting pictures and videos of our Babu Phakela Mthakathi that are out there fighting for our country. And people are like, Sisanda, I didn't expect this from you, because you've got foreign kids and, you're being xenophobic. Hey, Satan! Yay! One logos. Mina, I'm one person that I will always be advocating for my people. Okay? Into Yoqala, let me set the record straight. None of my people that are foreigners are in this country illegally. And none of them are doing any job or taking any employment from any South African. None of them are doing a crime in this country. Okay? Let's set that record straight first. Secondly, mina I am an employer. Ngiyaqasha na mina. Into zomela uyazi, angiqashi mina foreigner elingenawo amaphepha. In fact, angiqashi nje ama foreigners. Okay? Ngoba even my house helpers abala eMzansi, abala South Africa. Because why? Angeke ngizoprioritize umuntu okufika ekhona usisi wami nobhuti wami abala eSouth Africa abangenawo lawo mathuba. Singaxhaphazani. Ayingaxhaphazani nje. For me standing up for South Africans, it does not mean I'm being xenophobic. And I don't think any of those guys that are out there fighting about March on March, about Operation Dudula and whatever, they are being xenophobic. It's just that you people do not want to hear the truth. Nina, and understand, guys, our system is not capable of taking care of everybody. Ibhedlela zethu zigcwele. Our schools zigcwele. Like, there is nothing eyenzakala. Already siyastrugglisha thina as South Africans sisodwana. Manje senifuna ukuthi sibe umzali wawo yonke lolu vucu that is in this country. No, guys. No. I'm not xenophobic. That you should know. And for that matter, as I'm telling you, I've got relatives, blood relatives that are not of South African origin. But that doesn't mean, I've been into more than 50 countries. Not even one of those countries, including Nigeria. I've been to Nigeria 3 times. Not even one day I have ever been to Nigeria illegally. Have I ever committed any crime in Nigeria? I've been to Zimbabwe, Mozambique, Malawi, Swaziland, all these countries in Africa, Kenya. I have never been in any of those countries illegally, and I have never broken a single law in any of those countries. I've been to many countries in Europe. I've been all over Asia. I have never broken any single law. Why we must be okay with you guys coming into our country, committing crime, feeding our children with drugs, and doing all these wrong things, and then we must just be okay? Because South Africa, it has a constitution that South Africa is for all who live in it. Habe! I am not being xenophobic. I'm fighting for what is right. And again, the biggest problem is our own officials. Nina maphoyisa nani bo immigration what yinini nisifaka kule nkinga enikuyo. Nivulela abantu labangene ngama 20 rand. Angithi nivulela abantu yini ngempela. You don't understand la abantu bangena la in the country bazo oppressor wena. But when othatha 200 rand because of selfish. Government must start cleaning themselves. Sine problem yama government officials, amaphoyisa thatha ama bribes. Kukhona usisi wasesalune ebengihamba kuyo la eRandburg. Lo sisi lo wangitshela ukuthi amanesi njoba bevale ama hospitals kanje amanesi they sell them medication. Bavele bafonela unesi wase South Africa bamtshela ukuthi hey sister ngiphethwe ukuthi nokuthi aqhamuke namaphilisi kahulumeni azobadayisela. Ulo doti esikuwo njengamanje ukhozwa yithi. And I think it's about time uhulumeni aqale ngathi kuqala. Because we are the cause of the problem. South Africans, we are the enablers of this rubbish. Police are passing children. Lapeteguin, I was crying my eyes out, seeing children selling themselves on the side of the road. Police are passing because they are taking money. Ngeke, guys. Ngeke, call me whatever you want to call me. But I am in for whatever that March and March is standing for. I am in for what Phakela Mthakathi is standing for. I am in for what Operation Dudula is doing. So call me whatever you want to call me. I don't care. You tell me, it's under the public. Hey! Angihlangile. Ngazini.
Yeah, ne? Ngihlezi ngisho ngithi if you don't support March and March, you are against South Africans. If unga-support i-March and March, it's either uyisigebengu or usebenzisana neyigebengu or uyabenefita ebugebengwini obwenzekala-ke eSouth Africa. If ufisa iSouth Africa ifane neZimbabwe, don't support March and March and Operation Tutula. If ufisa iSouth Africa ifane neNigeria, don't support March and March. If ufisa iPakistan, Somalia and Ethiopia to take over South Africa, don't support March and March. But if you want local economy in South Africa to be reclaimed back to our people, let's support March and March. Let's support organization that expose criminality that is happening in South Africa. Siyabonga kusisi for supporting March and March, for giving our people chance ukuthi basebenze, for standing with South Africans. uNkulunkulu ambusise konke okuhle kumlandela. Danke, siyabonga.